Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore rental property cash flow tracking with Stessa step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Stessa website at www.stessa.com. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in using your account credentials. Once on the dashboard, click on the Properties tab. Select Add a Property to start entering your rental details. Fill in the property information such as the address, type of property, and number of units. After entering the details, click Save to add the property to your account. Navigate to the Income section to track rental income. Click on Add Income to record rent payments. Input the date, amount, and tenant information for each payment received. Next, move to the Expenses section to log your property expenses. Click on Add Expense to enter details for repairs, maintenance, and management fees. Provide the date, amount, category, and description for each expense. To ensure accuracy, attach receipts or files related to your expenses if necessary. Review your entries in the Reports section for cash flow analysis. Utilize the filter options to view specific time frames and income sources. Check your profit and loss statements regularly to keep track of financial performance. Make adjustments to your logging habits as needed for greater efficiency. Explore additional features like tax reporting and automated reminders for expenses. Finally, ensure your data is up to date by logging in regularly and making timely entries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.